Do you feel like no matter how much you try to save or cut expenses, you're not making any real progress with your money? What if the problem isn't with your budget or habits, but with how you think about money? In today's video, we're diving into 8 essential financial mindset shifts that can dramatically improve your decision-making and set you on a path to long-term financial success. If you've been feeling stuck or unsure about your financial choices, these shifts might be the key to breaking free. Let's get started. 1. Pay your future self before anyone else. One of the biggest shifts that can improve your financial decision-making is changing how you think about paying yourself first. It's easy to prioritize bills and daily expenses because they feel urgent, but putting aside money for savings and investments before anything else is a game changer. By automating monthly savings or investing into retirement accounts like a 401k, you're making sure your future self is taken care of. This habit builds financial security for the long term. If you don't make a priority to invest in your future now, you may find yourself living paycheck to paycheck for much longer than you'd like. Setting up automatic transfers helps ensure that your savings and investments grow consistently without having to rely on willpower or waiting until the right moment. Paying yourself first is a mindset shift that not only builds wealth, but also sets a foundation for financial freedom. It's about shifting the focus from spending on immediate wants to securing a comfortable future. When you pay yourself first, it's a small sacrifice that pays off exponentially over time. 2. Focus on the long term. If you want to make better financial decisions, focus on the long-term benefits rather than expecting instant rewards. Building wealth and achieving financial security doesn't happen overnight. It's easy to feel discouraged when your new budget or financial plan doesn't produce immediate results, but real wealth takes time. Understanding compound interest is key here. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small contributions can snowball into significant amounts as they compound over time. This mindset shift takes the pressure off achieving fast results and helps you stay motivated by focusing on the bigger picture. Wealth is built over decades, not weeks or months. Instead of getting discouraged by small daily fluctuations or minor setbacks, remind yourself that slow and steady growth is a key to long-term financial success. Over time, these efforts accumulate, leading to big financial milestones, whether that's buying a home, traveling the world, or retiring comfortably. 3. Don't sweat the short-term changes. Another important mindset shift is learning to ignore the short-term fluctuations in your financial situation. It's easy to feel disheartened when your investments dip or your budget feels tighter than usual, but these changes are normal. In fact, ups and downs are part of the process. When you're building wealth, it's essential to stay focused on a long-term trajectory. Your investment accounts might rise and fall, but that's a part of the natural market cycle. Panicking and making sudden decisions to sell off investments or cut back drastically on savings can actually hurt your long-term financial goals. By staying calm during fluctuations and focusing on your long-term strategy, you prevent emotional decisions that could disrupt your progress. This mindset shift allows you to view these temporary changes as just that, temporary. Your ability to stay calm and hold steady through market volatility can ensure your wealth-building plan remains intact. 4. Treat mistakes as learning experiences. Mistakes are part of any learning process, especially in personal finance. Instead of feeling guilty or defeated by financial errors, treat them as valuable learning experiences. This mindset shift helps you recover quickly and avoid repeating the same mistakes. Financial mistakes can be costly, but the lessons learned from them can be worth their price. Whether you overspent, took on too much debt, or made a poor investment, the important thing is to reflect on what went wrong and learn how to correct it moving forward. Avoiding mistakes altogether is unrealistic, but learning from them helps you become more resilient and better equipped to handle future financial challenges. Building this growth mindset will also make you more comfortable with taking calculated risks and stepping out of your comfort zone. Financial growth doesn't happen without some level of risk-taking, and learning from mistakes helps you refine your decision-making skills over time. 5. Remember that comparison is the thief of joy. One of the most dangerous habits in personal finance is comparing your journey to someone else's. Whether it's your friends, family, or even social media influencers, comparing your financial progress to others can quickly lead to feelings of inadequacy. When you constantly measure your success against someone else, you'll always feel like you're falling short. Everyone's financial journey is different. There are countless factors at play, such as income, expenses, goals, and even values. It's important to remember that your financial progress should be measured by your own goals, not someone else's. This mindset shift helps you embrace your own pace and celebrate the progress you've made. Focus on your personal achievements, such as paying off debt, saving for a big purchase, or simply staying consistent with your budget. Small victories are still victories, and by avoiding comparison, you allow yourself to fully appreciate the financial progress you're making. 6. Ask how you can afford things instead of assuming you can't. A big mindset shift comes from changing your perspective on what you can afford. When faced with a purchase you desire, instead of thinking, "I can't afford this," shift your thinking to, "How can I afford this?" This subtle change in approach opens up a world of possibilities and creative solutions. This mindset encourages problem solving rather than settling for what feels like the inevitable. By asking the question of how you can afford something, you'll naturally come up with ways to make it happen, such as cutting back on certain expenses, saving a bit extra each month, or finding other income streams. When you ask yourself how, instead of assuming you can't, you start viewing your finances as something that can be manipulated and adjusted, instead of something that limits your options. You might even find opportunities to make purchases you thought were out of reach. 7. Take charge by planning prior to crisis. Financial crises, such as job loss, medical emergencies, or unexpected bills, often catch people off guard. However, if you've shifted your mindset to proactively plan for crises, you'll save yourself a lot of stress. Planning ahead doesn't just mean having an emergency fund in place. It's also about budgeting for potential future expenses and preparing mentally for the unexpected. By anticipating challenges, you can avoid the panic that comes with sudden emergencies. Setting up a fund for the unexpected and budgeting for long-term goals gives you peace of mind, knowing that you're in control of your financial future. 8. Pivot from scarcity to opportunity. One of the most powerful mindset shifts is learning to see opportunity instead of scarcity. If you're always thinking that there's never enough money, it's easy to become fixated on protecting what you have rather than seizing new opportunities. This scarcity mindset often leads to hoarding money, avoiding risks, or missing out on potential wealth-building opportunities. Instead, shift your thinking to focus on opportunities that align with your goals. When you view money as a tool to create future freedom rather than a limited resource to hoard, you'll be more open to smart risks and investments that can lead to long-term financial growth. You might not be able to take every opportunity that comes your way, but by learning to recognize good opportunities, you'll be in a better position to capitalize on them when the time is right. Making financial progress isn't just about following a set of rules. It's about shifting your mindset so that you can approach money with clarity and confidence. These 8 mindset shifts, from paying yourself first to shifting from scarcity to opportunity, will help you make better decisions and move forward toward your financial goals. The key is consistency and patience. With each mindset shift, you'll be one step closer to financial freedom and achieving the future you've always wanted. Start with one shift today and watch your financial confidence grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on improving your finances and building a stronger financial future. Keep learning, keep growing, and trust the process. It's all about progress.